Right then, quick video. Nobody will recognise the reg, but they'll recognise the car. James has just brought our old A5 back in for a quick service and a dyno run just to make sure it's still fighting fit. Looks like he's keeping it pretty nice and tidy. It's still got everything in it as we left it. Always like that steering wheel, and how we trimmed it all up. So I think he's got a few plans with it. He's just buying another wheel off us as well for his track wheels, because he's going to run the Team Dynamics with the Yoko AO 52 tyres. And it's due some new tyres on these rims as well. These Nankangs are a bit worn out now on inner edges. So he's going to get that sorted. Engine's all fine, service is up good. And then we just run it on the dyno now. We can see, where are we at? I'll just remove that one. That was today, 10:47, so about an hour ago. There you go, 405 horsepower and 600 foot-pound of torque, which is pretty much exactly what it left with last time. That's in chute 44, no weird stuff going on. Curves are absolutely perfect, boosting exactly as we'd expect it to do. I hate that beep. I have to wait till it's done. Everybody cries about that, don't they? It's every time, isn't it? 5 minutes later. So, we're just going to take it out for a road test. We've drove it on weighing, absolutely fine. Done what we need to do, and then we'll just take it for a quick run, make sure it's fine. Give it him back, and then I believe he's booked onto a track day. I don't know exactly when now. I read an email where he said he's booked on a track day next week or two anyway. So, hopefully, it works absolutely fine. This is the sort of spec that we took it on track quite a lot at. So, should be absolutely fine for him. It's got all the cooling mods and everything. So, still, we said this was a perfect daily spec. I think it still is. Hopefully everybody else thinks the same.